Hello friends, I am Dr. Swati. In this video, we are going to see dark field microscope. In my previous class, I explained light microscope, parts and working principle. If you don't see that video, please go through it because if you understand the concept of light microscope and dark field microscope concept is simple and easy. The link is available in the description box. Once go through it. Now don't skip the video. This is very simple and very easy to understand. Now we can see some advantages of dark field microscope. First we can see high contrast. The dark field microscope has a high contrast because here the condenser is dark field condenser. Okay, compared to the light microscope, the dark field condenser is different. We can see the condenser here. Beneath the condenser, we arrange annular filter. The annular filter look like this. Central area is opaque and peripheral area is hollow area. Because of a central area opaque, the direct light is blocking through the objective lens. The direct light completely blocking through the objective lens. It is not enter into the objective lens. Only the diffracted light rays or scattered light rays can pass through the hollow areas of condenser, enter through the objective lens. Because of a diffracted light rays, we can see the image that is a dark image over the bright background. That is about the special feature of dark field microscope. The condenser is a different. Beneath the condenser, we can arrange annular filter. Because of this filter, the direct light is completely blocking, not enter into the objective lens. Only the diffracted light rays can pass through the sample after that objective lens. Then we can see the image. That image is a bright image over the dark background. Next you can see no need of staining. Okay, in dark field microscope we no need to do the staining because we can achieve the high contrast with the help of a condenser. In case of a light microscope we have to do the staining, then only we can achieve the contrast. But here the condenser is special, that's why no need to do the staining. Because not doing a staining, we can able to observe the live microorganism. If you do the staining, maybe microorganism can die, but not doing a staining means we can watch the live organisms. Okay, so next is even transparent specimens or tiny structures or thin microorganisms we can clearly see through this microscope. Example like bacteria, spirochetes. These are very thin microorganisms and transparent. Normal light microscope we cannot see, but through the dark field microscope we can able to see. Sometimes the bacteria having the flagella means that flagellated microorganisms also we can watch. The motility of your microorganisms we can watch through this microscope. Okay, so these are some advantages of dark field microscope. Now we can see the working principle of dark field microscope. The step number 1, from the light source, the white light rays illuminates. Then after that, they can pass through the annular filter, but annular filter specially designed. The central area is opaque. It is completely blocking the direct light rays pass through the condenser. But here only the peripheral areas, the scattered light rays can be passed. The scattered light rays can be passed and hit the specimen. So those scattered light rays or diffracted light rays, the red color you can observe. So these are diffracted light rays can pass through the objective lens. After that they can travel to the ocular lens. Finally we can see the image. The image is a bright image we can watch. But here you can observe some green colored dots. So these are non-diffracted light rays. The non-diffracted light rays cannot pass through the objective lens. Because of this, the background we can see the dark background. Dark means completely black color background we can observe because non-diffracted light rays not passing through the objective lens. Only the diffracted light rays can pass through the objective lens. That's why we can see the image is bright image over the dark background. Okay, so this is very simple idea. Only the condenser is different compared to the light microscope and dark field microscope. Only condenser different. Okay, so that's all. Next we can see some example of your images. Okay, how we can watch the image through the dark field microscope means, now you see this is an image, the background is completely black in color, then over that we can see the different colorful images like bacteria we can observe here. So these are actually natural colors, we are not stained. Okay, so we are not stained, it is a natural color. So now you can see another, so over the dark background insect, the mosquito we can observe. So this is a color is a natural, we no need to do the staining in this microscope. Now we can see one more picture. So here the dark background, we see the fungi, example like Candida albicans. Okay, over dark background we can see the image very clearly, we can watch it. So this is a special feature of dark field microscope. Without staining the living microorganisms we can able to watch. Okay, so that's all guys, thank you.